Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install Chrome browser on the Ubuntu machine. Let's get started. Just open any existing browser and search for download Chrome. Click on this first link, download now. So I'm clicking on download Chrome button here. Since the browser has automatically, or the Chrome download Chrome, Google Chrome has automatically detected our OS, and it is suggesting that which package you want. Is it for Ubuntu or Debian distribution or Fedora distribution? It is asking. So mine is Ubuntu distribution of 64-bit. So I would like to download Debian package .db. So I am accepting and clicking on install button. Click and install. So the download has started here. You can see on the top right corner. Meanwhile, let me open my terminal. So just I'm updating my apt package. It is downloading still. So the apt package manager is up to date for me, and the download also completed. Open the downloads folder. So here I'll open my terminal by right clicking and selecting open in terminal. So here, since I'm not a root user, I will be using this sudo keyword to install it. Simply sudo apt install, and then the package name, whichever you downloaded now, whichever the Debian package you downloaded for the Chrome, and press enter. It will ask you for your password if you are not a root user. So it started installing. You can see here unpacking Google Chrome stable, and the version is 119. There are multiple ways to install it. You can, I mean, here I am downloading the Debian package. Uh, Without downloading, you can directly give some commands like, you know, let me show you. There is another way. Yeah, just click on this one, right click on this one. Yeah, there will be a link like for this one. If you use that link also, it will automatically downloads the using some command like sudo wget and then if you give that URL, usually it should give me the URL. Here it's not showing the hyperlink or the URL. Okay, let me see the status. It's 80 percentage. Chrome browser. Yeah, let me open this. Yeah, this one I'm talking about. If you have this kind of URL, wget http, this URL, if you can get, it will automatically downloads it. Then you can uh, run the same command which we use, sudo apt install and the package name. Then it will also works for you. So this is the simple method to install which I followed now. Let me verify my browser whether it is installed. Since the uh, command execution is completed, I'm searching for Chrome. Yeah, you can see here browser is installed successfully. Just asking for some preconditions. That's it, guys. This is how we install Chrome on the Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching.